thing we need to do is find an image. So if you haven't got one saved, what we can do is go to Google, type in, say, Disney, click on the Images tab and choose a picture. Save that picture. I created a folder called Screen Pictures to save mine in. So we can close that. Next we open Blender and open the scene we want. I've included a couple of scenes I made that have screens. The links are below in the description. Split the screen. We make this screen shader editor. Close this a bit because it's not needed and zoom into the nodes. Click on the screen you want to add the image to, making sure it's the screen and not the rim mesh. Then we go up here and change from object mode to texture paint. Click on material properties. To show you from scratch, we'll remove this material and hit new. Next, click on the Tools tab. Click the plus sign to add a texture, choose base color and hit OK. Now we can see the base color node appear on this side. Click on the small folder and find your image. As I said before, I saved mine in the Screen Pictures folder I created. For a clearer view, go back to object mode. And there it is, done. Save. Now adding animation starts off pretty much the same way. Open your scene, split the screen, a shade editor screen, and click the TV screen. And then change from object mode to texture paint. In the Tools tab, click the plus sign and choose base color. Then hit OK. Now, if we zoom in a bit to see the 4 attributes, we need the one marked generated. Click on that and from the list choose movie. Click on the folder and choose an MP4 you want to use. Next, choose your frame. Next, choose your frame length. 250 is about 8 seconds, that's fine. Click both cyclic and auto refresh. It will loop the animations for you. Back to object mode. And we can test it by hitting play down here. Done. Now you can continue adding your models and creating the main animation. I'll leave you with a few pics I made using the scenes I've included. Bye!